When visiting Pullman, if you follow your nose, chances are it'll lead you straight to Beef & Co., where husband and wife Anthony and Marie are working tirelessly to bring you the best sandwich in town.
Neither of us come from a culinary background.
Okay.
I was in automotive service. She still currently works in banking. So this was more a labor of love than anything else.
We definitely use high quality beef. We have a local ranch that we use for our specials, and we just like to use other businesses in the communities.
Today's special is the Palouse. That's right, named for the majestic landscape surrounding it because it's made with Mediterranean salad, feta, and hummus harvested right from these hills.
First off, that is a hearty sandwich, and that looks beautiful.
This is from the plate, which is the belly of the animal. So this is very similar to flank steak or skirt steak.
Okay.
The key to it is that it can toughen up if you overcook it. Our solution to that is cooking everything sous vide. So this has been cooked for 36
fantastic.
hours.
I can't wait. Listen, I gotta take a bite of this
All
right
right.
now. That hummus. What a great idea. When I heard that we were doing this and you guys were applying hummus to the sandwich, I thought, why haven't I done that before? That hummus is delicious. It's the first thing that comes out. And that beef, like you said, is super tender. If this isn't on the menu, it should be.
All right, now let's see what others have to say about the Palouse sandwich.
Got the hummus.
Yes.
We're gonna be a little healthy.
Which is a great idea. Nice, good, hearty bite. That's the way it should be. Just let that sink in for a touch.
So many flavors. I would talk to you more, but hold on.
Take another bite, that's good.
The meat just falls apart as soon as you take the bite.
The ciabatta's fresh.
I am a hummus connoisseur. It adds so much to the sandwich.
Any sandwich you get is good. This is up there.
This is up there.
Yeah, this is up there.
That's the Palouse, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it right here.
Oh man.